just Mom. Don't freak out. So you see, some guineas can be quiet. Isn't that right? You wouldn't even know that guinea was still in the barn. Okay, well, I'm done in here for right now. I'm sure the girls are very happy to hear that. Because I'm not usually in the barn at this time of day, am I? Sorry for all the ruckus, baby, but I'm done now. Just go, baby. Go, baby. Well, I guess that's it for right now. Look around. It's going to look a lot whiter in a couple of days. Got the water filled up. Got the hay bale situation under control. Oh, wait. Lucy, did you have fun out in the field? Maybe I'll go out in the field first. I wanted to go out in the field before, because I find it hard to believe we just got it mowed. There's got to be hay all over that field. I think my girls are just lazy. I mean, I guess I would be too if someone was just bringing me what I want on a cart. Yeah, there's hay out here. That's why Lucy's out here. She's the worker. You follow me? I didn't want the guineas to come out with me. Because the guineas, well, yeah, there's a lot of loose hay. Lots of loose hay. You lady are spoiled rotten. You know that? Here comes my troopers. Hi, babies. I'm right here. You found me. You found me. You found me. Hi, Lucy. How you doing, baby? She's like, I was fine until you started coming over with all these noisemakers. That was not my intention, I assure you. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. He's a good baby. I love you. Good baby. My fluffy girl. Yes, my fluffy girl. Okay, I guess that's it from the farm. Thank you very much for being here with me. I hope I'm not blocking the camera. I don't think I am. But winter storm's coming and I had some chores to do. I figured I'd celebrate my 1,000 subscriber mark with a live stream from my phone. And that makes me so happy because that means less editing and I get to upload so much more. Hi, baby. I hope you all have a blessed day. And I'll be back soon. I have to also say that maybe 7 o'clock tonight, I'm going to have that follow-up on my lesson in Matthew chapter 7. I think that's going to be a live stream tonight at 7 p.m. So I'm glad I said something. So thank you, Joe. I'm glad you're here, everyone. I can't see your comments because the sun is just right in my face. But I'll see you at 7 for a live stream tonight, folks. We'll take care. Say bye. Say hi, Lucy. Yeah, I'm my donkey. I'm a good girl, aren't I? Good girl. Yes, you're the highlight of my life, baby. Yes. Good baby. Okay, I'll see you soon, everyone. Bye-bye. Let's just turn her around so we can see you while I figure out how to end this thing.